Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we'll go through your homework. Okay, of your homework, open to page 14 from the PDF that you have sent me. According to that, page 14.
What is the thing on page 14? I have not.
It is grammars.
This one.
Wait, I can't see. After this one. After this. Yeah, the one which you, yes.
Whatever you're telling me, is it okay if I write it in the red pen?
Yeah, it's okay. You can do. Now that is, you have written sum number 5. (1.3) sum number 5. Okay. So see, this is sum number 5. You have copied the question incorrect. That is why you couldn't solve. So what is the equation? Read this and read what you have written. First equation is 4m plus 6n is equal to 54, where you have written 57. Second equation is 3m plus 2n is equal to 28, while you have written 2m plus 3n is equal to 27. Since you have copied the question wrong, you couldn't solve it. Now I want you to solve it.
Oh.
Give me the answer one by one. Okay, now since you're using Cramer's rule, first you'll find out the D. So tell me what D you get.
E is equal to -8.
How did you get -8?
Sorry, I did 8 minus 16.
3 6 are 18. So 8 minus 18.
-10.
Yeah, correct. Be careful when you're doing the subtraction. Next, dx. Okay, be a little careful when you're writing, okay? Otherwise, then you tend to do mistakes. So, little slowly, not much slow also, but careful.
Minus 6. Minus 60.
60.
Yes.
Okay, let me just check, okay? Yes, correct. Minus 60 is correct. Now find out dy.
X comma y equals to 6 comma 5.
Correct.
Which means dy equals to minus 50. So dx will be minus 60 upon minus 10, which is x equals to 6 and y equals to 5.
Correct. Correct. See, you had not copied the question correctly, so you couldn't solve it. And now since you got the question correct, you could solve it properly.
What about the earlier one? I got 100 and
Yeah, we'll see
1000.
that also.
Yeah, I do not understand how I got. Maybe you had to reduce the equations in the first place.
The one before this sum, are you talking about that one?
Yeah, 6x minus 4y equals to minus 12. I think we could have divided the entire thing by 2. That would be easier.
Yeah. Here you have done one major mistake. And that is, look, you have written D 6, 8 minus 4 minus 3. Did you spot this? Okay, after this you have done 6 into minus 3
And
minus
4 into 8.
minus 4 into 8. Okay, now how much is 6 into minus 3? Minus 18, you have written, correct. And then how much is minus 4 into 8? 32. Minus 32 this should be. That you have not, you have just written 32. So this should be minus 32. And one major mistake is you have put a multiplication sign here. Look here, this multiplication sign you have put. What should be? What it should be?
Minus.
Minus, yes. That's why your entire sum went wrong. This would be minus. So minus 18 and then minus into minus will become plus here. So plus 32. And minus 18 so minus plus minus and you put sign of the greater number. So this should be 14 plus 14. Did you understand where you went wrong here?
Yeah, and the rest, dx and dy also have done the same thing.
Yes, correct it right now. Are you coming on?
What?
No, nothing, nothing. You continue.
Oh. Dx is minus 28. I'll just find dy.
Dx should be plus 28.
Greater number is minus 36.
Let's look at the screen. Your so here you will have minus 12 minus 2 minus 4 minus 3. Is this correct of yours?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Then you did minus 12 into minus 3 minus 4 into minus
Into
2.
2.
Correct?
Into minus 2, yeah.
Okay. Now minus into minus. 12 into 3 will give you plus 36. Minus into minus will become plus. Then this minus sign here. Minus into minus again plus. So 4 into 2, 8. So 36 minus 8, which is plus 28. Got it?
Yeah, good.
Okay. So I think you forgot to put the minus sign. Oh, you put a minus sign here, I guess, for 36.
Yes.
Okay. So look at the signs carefully when you're solving. Okay, minus into minus plus. Feeling?
I feel old.
dy is 84.
Yeah, correct.
I have to find x and y.
Yes, yes, yes.
X comma y equals to 2 comma 4.
84 divided by 14. How much is it? Unmute, unmute.
2 comma 6. 2 comma 6.
Yes, correct. 2 comma 6. Okay.
Now that was only what I could not do, right?
There is one more you have written couldn't solve. I'll just tell you the number. Practice
This
set
exercise
1.1. 1.1. Question 5. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. 1.1 question 5. That means from your first page of your exercise to page 7.
No, I've not written the page. It's just one.
Question 5.
Got it. 1 upon 3x plus y equals to 10 upon 3.
You have written couldn't solve. This sum we discussed in the class. So you had not written it at that time? Yeah, I think you had written.
Yeah, but I forgot. You have to divide it. Divide the first one with 3. Divide the second one with 4.
There it is correct.
And then what? Then multiply 3 in the second equation and then you have to subtract it, right?
Correct. Why you stopped then? Do further. No? Subtract it also. 24x minus x, that is 23. And 33 minus 10 is 23.
Oh, I thought 23 plus 10 and 24 plus x.
No, you are subtracting.
So
there
that is why I
is
stopped.
you are
Because then I
subtracting.
thought 25 equals to 43, so something is going wrong.
There is some completed now. Completed. Right now completed. So your x should be 1. Tell me if you're getting 1 or no.
Yes, 23 upon 23, 1.
1. So x is equal to 1. Substitute x is equal to 1 in any equation and tell me what is the value of y.
Y is equal to 3.
Yes, correct.
Now from the problem set before exercise 5, everything I've done except the graph question.
Okay, I haven't checked your problem set sums yet. But here, last time also you had sent me some sums from problem set, correct? For your homework?
Yes, now I've sent you all. I did all of them again and I sent it to you.
No, in this PDF, which is sent today, in that there is only question 1, that is MCQs, and exercise 4, that is finding determinant. Only these two things are there.
And exercise 2.
No, that is not there in this.
The table.
Sorry, yeah, the table, yeah. The table is there, that's it. And then exercise 5, question 5, I'll open the textbook.
So only exercise 3 is left, right? The graph one. And I've also written that I did not do a 1.2, practice at 1.2.
We didn't practice.
I didn't, yeah.
Okay, do it tomorrow. Without fail. But tomorrow, tomorrow I'll be taking the test.
Today? No. I'll send it to you tomorrow.
Before the test, huh?
Yeah.
So 3 is left. Graph
The
is
test
left.
is on which practice sets?
Which? What?
Practice sets. Which practice sets?
All. 1.1
From 1.
to 1.5. You
Okay,
want?
how
I can
many?
reduce it then.
No. How many marks?
20.
5 practice sets?
Yes.
Only 20.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll be taking more tests also on these chapters. Okay. You have the textbook in front of you? Okay, now open to page 28. The activity.
Yeah, I'm on that page.
Okay. Now I want you to read it and start solving and tell me the answer before writing. First, read a question and understand the question first. If you are not understanding the question, let me know. Then I'll explain the question first.
No, I did not understand the sum. It just says x plus y. If we do it y plus x, then it equals to 143. So the first two should be 143. The first box should be 143. Correct?
Okay. So a 2-digit number and the number with digits interchange add up to 143. Okay, that means there is a 2-digit number. Suppose Suppose 25. Suppose 25 is not the number. Just suppose if 25 is that number. Then if you interchange this 25, if you interchange, you will get, what will it become? Interchange 25. Interchange the numbers. So what will it become?
52.
52. So they're saying that a 2-digit number and the number after interchanging it, if that is added, okay, if that is added, then you get 143. That is said. Okay, that number is not 25. I'm just giving for example. So a 2-digit number and the number with digits interchanged add up to 143. In the given number, the digit in the units place is 3 more than the digit in the tens place. Find out the original number. Now, in a number, you know that we will have the units place and we'll have the tens place, correct? So they are saying let the digit in the units place be x and then in the tens place be y. So the number is like this. In the units place, it is x, and in the tens place, it is y. Correct? Now, one thing is, suppose I'll take the same example, 25. Which number is in the units place? Can you tell me which number is in the units place?
5.
And which number is in the tens place?
2.
2.
20.
Yes. 20. This number can be written as 20 plus 5. So this is the tens place and this is the units place. Did you understand? So the same thing, the number x comma y, sorry, yx, where x is in the units place and y in the tens place. That number is, what should be here? Look, the same example, take 25. How I wrote 25? 20 plus 5. Correct? So here, if this is the number yx, then if you want to split it like this, how will you split it?
Y plus x.
But y is in the tens place.
So 10y plus x.
Yes, 10y. So what should come here? 10y plus x. Understood? Now look at this next line. The number obtained
10.
by interchange. Now correct. It's just interchange. So here you will just write 10x plus y. Now according to the first condition, read the first condition. The two-digit numbers, when interchanged, you add both of them to 143. So the original digit is 10y plus x. And when you interchange this, you get 10x plus y. Correct?
So in the second one will become 10x plus y.
Yes. So here you'll put 10x plus y. Now the x terms are brought together, y terms are brought together. So add the x terms and add the y terms. So 10y plus y will be how much?
11.
Yes. And 10x, year 11. And then 10x plus x will be 11x.
Yeah.
Understood? So 11x plus 11y equal to 143. Now, here 11 is there. So what is done here? Can you tell me? 11 is there. Here also
143 minus 22.
No. Here also 11 is there. Here also 11 is there. So in this equation, what is done? See here in the next line, 11 is not there.
11 is removed.
So what they have done to remove it?
What?
What do we do to remove it? I want to remove the 11. So what will you
Change
do?
the signs.
No. You change the sign when you're doing subtraction. In this case, you want to remove this 11.
Just cancel them.
No, you cannot just cancel it. 11x, 11y. Now, in the next step here, if you see 11 is not there, then you have to write something in this box. So the only possible way to remove this 11 is to do what?
Divided by 11.
Divided by 11. So your 11 cancel, 11 cancel, 143 you can divide by 11. So take it as 11 ones are 11. 11 minus 14 is 3. 11 threes are 33. So the answer is 13 here. X plus y is equal to 13. Did you understand? Write it. Here in the bracket, for your understanding, just write here, dividing by 11. Dividing by 11.
Yes.
Okay, now from the second condition, so if you read the second condition, in the given number, the digit in the units place is 3 more than the digit in the tens place. Okay, 3 more. So 3 more means what will it be? Plus 3 or minus 3? Can you tell me what 3 more means? What? Plus 3 or minus 3?
Plus.
Plus 3. So digit in the units place is x, tens place is y. So digits in the unit place is 3 more than the digits in the tens place.
Y
So
plus 3.
yes, correct. So here you will write x is equal to y plus 3. And in the next step, this is just rearranged. So here this is just rearranged. So x minus y is equal to 3. So this was your first equation. And this was your this first equation, second equation. So let's see next what is done in these equations. So it's written here, if you see, adding equation 1 and 2. So let's see what do you get. First is x plus y is equal to 13. Second is x minus y is equal to 3. So adding, what will happen? Plus y minus y cancel, will get cancelled, correct?
Yes.
And x
2x
plus
equals
6,
to 2x equals to 16.
16. So what will come in this box here? 16. And then x is equal to 16 divided by 2, that is 8. So this box is already
8.
there here.
But then what will you write? 2x is equal to 16, right?
Yes, 16 here. You see here, we are getting 16 after adding. So 2x is equal to 16. Okay, in the bracket, just do this also side in your rough work for you to understand.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay. Then putting value of x in equation 1. So here, what will come in this box here? So here x is 8 plus, here what will come?
Y.
Y itself. And then in the next step, this plus 8 will be taken on the other side. So 13 minus 8. So it would become y is equal to 13 minus 8. And how much is 13
5.
minus? Yes. So y is equal to 5 here.
So then 5 into 10.
Yeah. So the original number, yes, y is 5,
5
right?
into 10. So 50.
50, correct. So in this box, you'll put 50. And 50 plus 8 is 58. So 58 is that number. So if you want to check if your answer is correct or not, so they said the number and the number that you get after interchanging it. So when you interchange 58, you get 85 and you add it. So if you add it, so 6,
13.
143.
Yeah.
So your answer is correct. Do you understand this activity entire?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Can we do the third one before the second one?
So the activity, this one?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Because I tried, but I did not get it.
Okay. Okay, to find the number of notes that Anushka had, complete the following activity. Okay, so let's understand the question first. Suppose that Anushka had X notes of rupees 100 and Y notes of rupees 50. Okay, so she had X notes of 100, Y notes of 50.
100x plus 50y.
Anushka got 2,500 from Anand as denomination mentioned above. So equation 1 would be, so that means total money with her is 2,500, this total. So what would be the first, what did you say, first equation?
I
100
said 100x plus 50y
is
equals to
equal to,
2500
correct. So this
because
will be,
of the dominations.
yes, so this
So
is
that
your,
is equation 1.
correct. Next, if you see, if Anand would have given her amount by interchanging the number of notes. So if the number of notes are now interchanged, so Y notes of 100 and X notes of 50, then
So
she would have,
100y plus 50x equals to minus 500.
no, read the last sentence. What you said, half is correct. Can you repeat what you said starting?
So I said if you interchange it, then it will
Yes.
become 100y
Hmm.
minus 100y plus 50x
Hmm.
equals to less,
Now,
so minus 500.
no, see, it is said 500 less than the previous amount. So previous amount is
2500.
500 less from this, subtract 500. So how much?
2000.
2000. So this would be equal to 2000. Got it? So this will be the second equation.
Okay, we have to solve it ahead or
Yes,
not?
yes, you have to solve it. You have to solve it. Because yes, see, they have asked number of notes also. This. So here, what technique will you use to solve? Cramer's rule will be too lengthy. Simultaneous equation also lengthy. So if you note one thing, this is what type? See here 100x, 100y, 50x, 50x, 50y. So what will you do? First add, then subtract. You remember this technique?
Yes.
Exercise 1.1, yeah. So 100x plus 50x, 150x. And 50y plus 100y.
I'm still writing the
Okay.
equations.
Okay, right. Okay, since you know the technique, complete it yourself and tell me the answer. If you get stuck anywhere, ask me.
What?
I said, you know the technique, so complete the sum. If you get stuck anywhere, ask me.
Okay.
One by one, tell me the answers that you get, okay? Like after adding and then after subtracting.
Um, 150x plus 150y equals to 4500. So you divided it by 200.
By this number here, you have to divide by this number.
Oh, sorry. So what will you divide it with it?
This number. What is this number here?
Okay.
150. So divide throughout by 150. So 150x upon 150, 150y upon 150, and 4,500 upon 150. 150, 150 cancel. Here also 150, 150 cancel. And this you have to divide. So 0 can be cancelled. And 15 ones are 15. 15 threes are 45. And this 0 as it is. So you should have x
plus y equals to 30.
Equals to 30. Number this equation. Call it A, B, whatever you want. Next you have to subtract. Be careful one thing, when you subtract, you change the sign throughout. So don't forget that, changing the sign throughout.
$50x minus $50y equals to
50x.
500.
Yes, equal to 500.
Divided it by 50 only.
Yes. So can you tell me directly what will you get after dividing by 50?
X minus y equals to 5.
X minus y. How much is 500 divided by 50? 0 is 0 cancelled. So you have 50 upon 5. How much is 50 divided by
5 ones are 5 and 5 tens are
10? So x minus y is equal to 10. So this is B, or second equation. Got it? Now you have to solve these two simultaneously. With this you can do it, I'm sure. So what will get cancelled?
plus and minus y.
Yes, plus and minus y cancelled. X plus x gives you 2x. 30 plus 10, 40. So x is how much?
Equals to 20.
Correct, 20. Now substitute x in any equation. Substitute in this one, x minus y, it will be easier. No, do it in the first one, it will be easier. Put it in this, x plus y equal to 30. So 20 plus y equal to 30. We'll take 20 on the other side, will become 30 minus 20. And that is
X minus y equals to 20, 10.
okay. So that means she has 20 notes of 100 rupees and 10 notes of 15 rupees. So you can write a final box. Where was it? Here. So 20 here.
How will you cross check?
And 10. You can cross check like this. She has 20 notes of 100 rupees. How much rupees here? 20 notes of 100 rupees. How much money?
20 into 100,
That is 2000.
2000.
Correct? And then she has 10 notes of 50 rupees. How much money here?
500.
500. Add it. 2000 plus 500.
2500.
2500. And that is exactly here. And now when it is interchanged, you can check that also. That means 10 notes of 100 rupees. How much money here?
10,000.
1000. And
1000, sorry.
and 20 notes of 50 rupees. Okay, it's just interchange. Huh? This is just interchange. So how much money here?
150.
Mm-mm.
No,
2 into 5 is 10
So 10
and
and
zeros,
then
0, 0.
2 zeros. So
So how
1000.
much? 1000. And total?
2000.
2000.
Not 2500.
No. Here, no. Look
Acha, okay,
here.
No,
When
I
it is
understand. I understand.
okay. Okay. We'll move on to the next.
Yeah, we missed one sum on the first page. Oh, sorry. The second sum, Kantabai bought 1.5 kg tea. Is it lengthy?
No. Oh, just the question is lengthy. Okay. Understand the question first. Kantabai bought 1.5 kg tea and 5 kg sugar. Okay, so 2 items she purchased, tea and sugar. 1.5 kg tea, 5 kg sugar. She paid 50 rupees as return fare for rickshaw. Total expense was rupees 700. Then she realized that by ordering online, the goods can be bought with free home delivery at the same price. So next month, she placed the order online for 2 kg tea and 7 kg sugar, and she paid rupees 880 for that. You have to find the rate of sugar and tea per kg. Okay, understand this question. So she has bought tea and she has bought sugar. 1.5 kg tea and 5 kg sugar. For this, along with her travel expense. Okay, for this, along with her travel expense, she paid 700. Understood the first transaction? The first condition, first few
Yes.
statements? Okay. Next, it is said that in the same question that if she would have ordered this online, there would be no delivery charge for her. That means the same thing, she ordered tea and she ordered sugar, okay, from the same place, but online. And she ordered 2 kg tea and sugar was 7 kg. 7 kg sugar. And for this, in total, she paid 880 rupees. Here, there was no extra charge. Okay, we have to find out the price of 1 kg tea and 1 kg sugar. We have to find out that using this information that is given. I hope the question is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what you have to find out? Price of 1 kg tea, 1 kg sugar. So you take that to be X and Y. So let the price of 1 kg tea be X and let the price of 1 kg sugar be Y. So let's write down that first. Let price of 1 kg tea B rupees X, and let the price of 1 kg sugar be rupees Y. Did you understand up to here the first statement that I've written? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now she purchased 1.5 kg tea and 5 kg sugar she purchased. Okay. So, firstly, you see this is a mixed fraction. So you'll have to convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction.
1.5.
No, it is 1.5. Keep it in fraction only, don't say decimal, but convert it into proper fraction. You multiply
1
this.
upon 1.
No, you multiply this 1 and 2 and you add it to the
And you
numerator.
plus, yeah.
So how would it be? Give the answer in
2
fraction.
into 1 is 2.
Plus 1.
Plus
And
1
then
is 3.
3.
So
That
3
means,
upon 2.
yes. So you can say instead of 1.5, say 3 upon 2 kgs of sugar. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So her total expense. Okay, her total expense as per the first condition. So I'll write here as per the first condition. She purchased 3 upon 2 kgs of sugar, and 1 kg sugar we have assumed here to be X. Okay, 1 kg sugar we have assumed it to be X. So what would be the total price paying for sugar?
3 upon 2x.
Yes. Then plus. Now the second thing, sugar. She purchased, sorry, that was not, okay,
5
how much
kg.
kg? 5. So she purchased 5 kg sugar, 1 kg sugar is Y.
5y.
So 5Y. Now, there is one more thing
Is
given.
equal to
Equal to what?
Equal to the travel plus the total.
You add the travel also. How much you had to pay for travel?
That is not told. No,
Yeah,
they
it
have.
is. They have. How much is it? Can you read and tell? She paid rupees dash for return
50.
50. So plus 50, and now that is equal to her total expense. How much is her total expense?
700.
700. So this will be your first equation. Did you understand this?
Why did we take it as 1.5x?
Because we working with decimal will be very difficult. You'll get the same answer. 1.5 is 1.5 only. You will get the same answer. But we just try to avoid working with decimals and work with fractions. If you would have taken, instead of this 3.2 is anyways 1.5 only. So you would get the same answer. Only calculations would little bit increase of yours.
Okay.
And now just rearrange this. Take this plus 50 on the other side. So you will have 3 upon 2x plus 5y is equal to 700 minus 50. That is 650. So the first equation is 3 upon 2x plus 5y is equal to 650. Okay, now I don't want this fraction also here, and I don't want decimal also. So the only way is, you see 2 is in the denominator. You multiply this entire equation by 2. Okay, because when I solve simultaneous equations, then solving with fraction will be difficult and solving with decimal also will be difficult. So what you do is you try to remove this fraction, and that can be done if you multiply throughout by 2. So multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 throughout. So you will get 2 into 3 upon 2 plus x plus 2 into 5y is equal to 2 into 650. Did you understand up to here what I did? Now here, 2 and 2 cancel.
Yes.
So you have 3x plus 2 into 5, 10. So this becomes 10y is equal to 2 into 650 will be 1300. You multiply this, you'll get 1300. 2 into 65 is 130 and the 0 as it is, so 1300. So this is the first equation. I'll call it 1. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next, now let's see the next condition. The second condition. This is the second condition. 2 kg tea, 7 kg sugar, no traveling expense, nothing here. Her total cost is 880. Looking at this data here, can you tell me what will be the second equation? One kg
2x
tea is correct. Say 2x plus
plus 7y equals to 8.
correct. So this is my second equation. So I'll just write here by as per second condition. So as per second condition, two x plus 7y is equal to 880. So this call it as equation 2. Okay, now only thing is you have to solve these two equations and find out the value of x and y. Now you can do any way that you want. You can do simultaneous, you can do Cramer's rule, whatever you want. Will you able to complete the sum from here?
Yeah, I'll just take a screenshot.
Yes. Okay. Can you see the entire sum? Okay. So for your homework, for your tomorrow's homework, before the test, I want the solution for this sum and the previous what I had told you to do. Okay. So for your homework, I'll tell you, for your homework tomorrow, anyways, you have your test tomorrow, so you'll be practicing other. Just send me the solution of this sum. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, complete this sum and send me the solution. Fine.
Yeah.
So, and be prepared for the test. So we'll stop here.
Yes.